Today I started working on our new website that is supposed to go live by the end of the month. So I started creating the wireframes and this is ready. Next steps will be creating user stories for our development teams, waiting for the design from our designer, and it looks pretty cool overall. So looking forward, stay tuned.
Hey, good evening. So yesterday was all about meetings. We had an executive meetings. I had a meeting with Joe. I interviewed 2 developers, and I did get a chance to work with Lior and Andrew on 2 new communication protocols. Today was all about travel, flights, driving, but I finally arrived at Zug, Switzerland a few minutes ago, where it is quite a bit colder than I'm used to. Speaking of cold, I did get a chance to finalize some of the details for our trip to Moscow next week, which is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be meeting our partners, flying some drones, and getting you a lot of cool footage. See you soon.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I provided review and feedback on some upcoming blog content for us. I also corresponded with a few additional potential advisory group members. My call with Blockchain IL got pushed to today, so that's on tap for today. Plus I'll be working with Hadan on getting the team back on a unified task management program and making sure we are all working together on those efforts. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alec here.
Hey DailyDAV, this is Daniel. So right now we are in Herzliya Airport. We're doing some technical tests for POC in aviation.
Yeah, me and Daniel went outside the office today. I had some delicious falafel on the way here and just getting ready for our POCs. Have a good day, guys.
Have a good day.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday I did a lot of work on the new website mock-up, so that was very good, very excited for that. Passed it over to one of our team members, so we're currently building out what the new website's gonna look like with different advisors, different partners, so all good things, and very excited for a new website coming through end of month. Also did some work on the social side, worked with Rachel a bit to go ahead and get some new pieces approved, and then also taking those brand guidelines and pushing them across the website. Also did some advisor work because we have a few advisor meetings and discussions that I'm going to be having this week, and then also a bunch of follow-up on previous advisors. Today got some iterations and feedback back on that new website, so did a good amount of work on the new website, adding some things. Also built out a press page. We're going to have a press and media because we've been speaking with a bunch of different PR companies and press companies, so a lot of exciting things happening there. And like I said, a lot of stuff with the website. Right now my main focus has been getting this new website up and live, and then also revamping our email campaign as well. So expect a new template and a little more dynamic email campaign also. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hi folks, in the land smile start new beautiful sunny day, and I begin our work with smile. Today I'll make a few variants new logo DAV. I'll try to combine the old version of the logo with a new one. I will replace the font and make a new color. Also I'll try to make it look like a diamond. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.